Hello everybody, today we are looking at the Show Me Tell Me's. More specifically, we are looking at the Show Me's. We're going to start with the question that will be put to you, which is, show me how would you clean your front windscreen using the windscreen washer wipers. So this is a Ford Focus, very similar in the Ford range. So this is my wiper arm. I pull the wiper arm towards me and that gives me some solution. When you're using it, it's worth to give it a good fair amount of solution on, because the sort of stuff that your windscreen gets covered with is things like grease, oil, unburnt petrol, unburnt diesel, brake fluid, transmission fluids, all the stuff that comes off the cars. It gets swirled around on the ground and then it gets splashed onto your screen. So you want to be using a fair amount of spray to clean your screen. So that's show me how would you clean your front windscreen using the windscreen washer wipers. Next one is the rear windscreen using the windscreen washer wipers. This time we push the wiper arm away like that. You can probably hear it. I'll just show you it. Turn around. Excuse the children's car seats. There you go. Nice and easy. And show me how would you put on your or switch on your dipped headlights. Now that's down over here. Now in some cars they'll have different. Let's zoom in a bit. Now, in some cars, they'll have them in different places, but the symbols are the same. So this here symbol is your dipped headlight. Let's put that on. And that puts your dips on, and then we'll turn it back. Okay, that's the show me how would you put on your dipped headlights. Show me how would you check to see if your horn's working. Nice and easy. Palm in the middle, little toot of the horn. Only wants to be a short, sharp beep. If you hold it down for any extended period of time, it comes across as very aggressive, and that's not the sort of image we want to be portraying. Okay, and then on to the next one, which is show me how would you put your side window down. Okay, over here, zoom in again. We've got our passenger window, driver window. Now, if I just give it little presses, it's coming at an angle, little presses, I can get the window to come down as much and as little as I like, but if I give it a big press all the way down, it comes down on its own. That way I can keep two hands on the wheel as the window's coming down. I'm going to give it a big pull up. It goes up. Great. So that's the show me the front windscreen washer wipers, rear windscreen washer wipers, the side light, not the side lights, sorry, the dipped headlights, the passenger window and the horn. And so I've only got the demisters left, which is over here. So again, very similar markings. So this one over here is our front demister. If I press that, it will blow air onto the front windscreen to help demist. The most effective way to demist is to use air conditioning, because that dries the air. And then to demist the rear windscreen is this button over here. If I press that, lovely. Now what you might notice is if I turn the car off, my rear demister will not work or come on, and that's because it works off of the engine. If I press the front, that still works, because that can work off the battery, but the rear demister needs the engine to be working, which is fine because you'll be driving at the point when they ask you to show them how would you demist your rear windscreen. And that's it. That's the inside Show Me's.